everybody, welcome back to another video, welcome back to the channel. Now this video should be me getting this out of the garage and turning it over. Now for those that don't understand, go back and watch my last video. It's when I hooked up this, did a little bit of tool review, hooked a battery charger up that was bought from Lidl, hooked it up. This video, the plan was this video was going to get the car out, turn it over, hopefully turn it over, get it running, give it a wash, get all the storage and the dust off it, go for a bit of a dry, make sure everything was alright before we delivered the car back to my dad's house. But, and I don't think I need to say it, COVID-19, coronavirus. I don't think I have to say much more, do I? It's absolutely hit the UK hard. People are dying all over the world, and with the whole UK has gone onto this self-isolation to try and prevent the spread of this virus, this coronavirus. So today, that isn't the plan. We can't get this car out, we can't get it out because we're on this self-isolation, and it would be classed as unnecessary travel to get this out on the road and go for a blast. So we're going to do something a little bit different. I don't know how this is going to go, and I've never done this before, but I just want to throw a bit of content out there just to kind of keep people interested. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video. Please remember, I am trying to hit 50 subscribers by June. It's March, it's coming to the end of March, the 28th of March today. We'll have a check now. 48 subscribers at the top there, so thank you very much to you 48 wonderful people. 2 more and we're at the target. I've also got an so this is the inside of my car. So you can see it's got like a blue interior. I lift up the mat, driver's seat. Yeah, it's absolutely filthy. Door pocket. Moving on, centre console. You can see here, look at that on camera, it looks worse on camera than it does in person. Bit of trim missing, the trim's actually here, it's fell off. There's a bit of trim missing from under there, which I've got. So plan, well, now that I've shared that with you, please don't judge me. Probably going to get loads of hate in the comments saying, how can you call yourself a car guy when the inside of your car's absolutely filthy. I can't say anything I can say, so I've just been lazy, and I think this is the excuse I'm going to use. I think inside of cars do get neglected because people clean the outside because that's what everybody sees, but the inside of my car is absolutely filthy. So the plan is I'm going to go all the way here, full hog. Seats are coming out, 2 front seats. I've got to bother that. I'm not going to take the back ones out, I'm just going to take the front ones out, which will expose all the carpet underneath and I'll be able to get right into all the nooks and crannies. I've got some cleaning stuff, probably going to need a jet wash in here to get it all clean, but yeah, that's the plan. So I'm going to start first getting these seats out. Now, getting the seats out. We only think about dancing. Oh yeah! We only think about dancing. Come on! Oh yeah! Dancing. Come on! Let's have a look. Not too bad. This is the passenger side, not too bad. Then look at this, that's the driver's side. The whole car is absolutely filthy. Hopefully by the end of this it'll be like brand new, that's the aim. So let's make a start and empty another progress update. All I've done so far is I've just hoovered. The difference already is amazing. I can't believe how much loose dirt was in the car, but the main aim that I'm aiming for is this. I want to get this gone with the carpet cleaner. There's another bit of stain here. Yeah, I want that gone. All these stains here, I want them all gone. That is the aim. So I'm getting a bit cranky now because I'm hungry and it's past dinner time, so I'm going to have a bite to eat and then we're going to crack on, and I'll show you what I'm using and how I'm doing it. Well, but it's the Vax Platinum Professional Solution. I've never used it in the car before. This is the first time I've ever shampooed a car, to be honest. I've used it in the house. And it did do a really good job. This is my carpet cleaner. I'm not really sure the make or the model. Well, the make is a Vax, I'm not sure the model. But I'll plug it all in and then I'll tell you my method, technique. I don't know what the phrase is, but I'll tell you that when we get in the car. We're well impressed with how that looks. It's so much better. It's not perfect, but it certainly is a lot better. I know there's dirt on the pedals and stuff, but that's going to be a job for tomorrow, I think, when I get down there and give all the dashboard and stuff a scrub. This is just for shampooing the carpets today, and possibly the front seats if we've got enough time. So that completes the passenger side. Again, well impressed. That dirt, that big stain that was here, that coffee stain, as you can see, it's gone. This yellow thing in the middle, that stands out quite well on camera. It actually doesn't look bad in person as it does on the camera. I think that's a bit of paint someone spilt from the previous owner, possibly, but I'm well impressed. There is still bits of pieces, and I'm going to carry on. I'm going to do it another couple of times. I just wanted to give you an update, and that is how I'm shampooing. This is the first time I've ever shampooed a car. I'm impressed with the results. The next time you'll see me then, I'm going to be shampooing the seats, which we'll move on to, but I'm just going to give this another quick once over first. Okay, so we're now going to move on to the seats, but I want to show you the comparison first of them side by side so I can show you the difference. So this is the passenger seat. As you can see, it is dirty, there is stains on it and stuff, but look at this for a driver's seat. You can see the difference in the dirt. Both of them in the same shot. Look at the colour difference. So hopefully these will come up to make them spam. I've given them a hoover already. I'm going to do exactly the same method that I did on the carpets as I am on the seats. So this is quite low down, this is the carpet. So that's the back seat done. Nice and clean. It wasn't as dirty as the front because the back seat don't really get used in this car, if I'm honest. Gonna get the driver's seat back in first, so that's what we'll do next. The seats are back in the car. Seats are back in, so obviously they're still wet. I'm going to leave them overnight to dry. You never know, they might take longer than overnight to dry. But COVID-19 and all that, I have to self-isolate, I can't go anywhere, so that's why it was a perfect opportunity to do the car. So what I will say is I'm not going to put the carpets back in. The floor mats, if you look, there's a big hole in this one, so it'd be a waste to go through this effort and then put the old ones back in. What I will do is I'll show you this though. Is that a good angle? So that's the dirty water that's come out of my car. That's all the dirt and the grime and the grit that has come out of my carpet and my seats. They're not perfect. I think it's to do with the colour, so they're like a light blue interior as you've seen, and it's faded over time. But what I'm happy with, the big coffee stains gone, all the mud's gone, all the grime's gone. I'm not sure how long this video is going to have lasted, and if this will be a video on its own, or if this is going to be a video where I clean the rest of the car. I'll have a look at the editing tonight and we'll go from there.